All right, we're back. Um, so we haven't done any videos in like 4 days, and the reason was because we're cleaning this room. Um, we're back, and we could finally start making videos again. We finally cleaned up, I guess, the office. Um, looks pretty good, I think. Um, so what's that? How fit it? There we go. So we got it cleaned up. We got a little office space got set up. We had these already, but oh, let me see. The Soundcore P30i, and we're checking out if they're a good option compared to the HyperX headset. The HyperX is just badass, but it's wired. So we're trying to see if these wireless Bluetooth headphones work. Um, I gotta find a place to store these, and I got the perfect spot over here. Is it the perfect spot? Yeah, they do fit. So we're trying to be more organized. That's probably my most major drawback in everything. But anyway, so welcome back to Lost in the Woods Digital. We're probably gonna put Lost in the Woods Digital right here, logo. We should probably be concentrating on making videos. Um, but that's the plan for right now. And just want to show you guys what I've been doing. We're recording on Insta360X camera, and yeah, pretty happy with my setup. I gotta get a new table, and right now everything's looking pretty good.